Hi everyone, today's topic is tablet coating. The tablet coating means application of coating to tablets. Application of a coating to tablets means application of a coating material to the tablets. Okay, which it is in this tablet coating is an additional step. It is an additional step in the manufacturing process, and it also increases the cost of the product. Okay, tablet coating means application of coating material to the tablets, which is an additional step in the manufacturing process, and it increases the cost of the product. The main objectives. What are the main objectives of this tablet coating? Okay, the first one is why this step has to carry during the manufacturing process. Okay, the reasons is the main objectives is to mask the taste, odor, and color of the drug. Okay, we have to mask the taste, color, odor of the drug. Okay, which is in a bitter taste, and then we have to go for the sugar coating. Okay, which is the odor. If the tablet odor is not a sour odor, in that condition we have to go for the any of the coating step. Okay, next, to provide physical and chemical protection for the drug. Physical and chemical protection for the drug. Okay, we have to protect the drug, either physically or chemical protection for the drug, and to control the release of drug from tablet, and to control the release of drug from the tablet. And fourth one is to protect the drug from gastric environment, of the stomach, which is for this we have to go for the acid resistant coating, and to incorporate another drug or formula. Next one, to incorporate another drug or formula adjuvant in the coating to avoid chemical incompatibility. Okay, to avoid the chemical incompatibility in the coating step, we have to incorporate another drug or formula to that adjuvant we have to mix in that coating material to provide a sequential drug release. And next, to improve pharmaceutical elegance, nothing but a look, to improve pharmaceutical elegance by use of special colors and contrasting printing. Okay, these are the main objectives of the tablet coating. Tablet coating is nothing but application of coating material to the tablets. It is an additional step and improves the cost of the product. Main objectives is to mask the taste, color, odor of the drug, physical and chemical protection of the drug, control of release of drug from the tablet, and incorporate another drug in the formula to avoid the chemical incompatibility, and improve the pharmaceutical elegance by use of special colors and contrast printing. Okay, this is about the tablet coating in introduction and objectives of the tablet coating. In coming sessions, we discuss about the components involved in the tablet coating. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.